Hi, hello, my dear friends. Today I am going to thanking my subscribers who all have subscribed my channel. And thank you so much. I'd like to thank you for following me on my journey. I know that 100 YouTube subscribers is nothing to brag about compared to other YouTubers, but the feeling of helping out people and receiving beautiful comments to encourage me to continue is really something that keeps me engaged and put a smile on my face. The more activity I seen on my YouTube channel, the more motivated I feel. 100 subscribers may be nothing compared to the home recording titans out there, but I promise that I'll treat each subscriber with respect, being one or 100. Join me on my journey to free home recording knowledge. Thank you so much, friends.